Absolutely.
Absolutely not.
Why not? Why is it not legal?
It's disturbing the peace.
It's a horn if you're not doing it after 11 or 10.
You can scare somebody and make them crash.
You can scare somebody with your system and make them crash. I mean, any truck could have a horn on it.
No, it's air horn.
Who knows?
Train horns, absolutely. We see it all the time. We hear it all the time. We watch it on YouTube. It's funny. People jump, they get scared. But again, it could lead to a crash. It could lead to, somebody falling down. But to have a train horn in your vehicle is technically illegal because it's unreasonable sound or noise a horn. Make sure you subscribe below. If you have any questions or comments, I'm Lieutenant Jason Hargett with Baltimore Police. Please be safe.